So here we have the cover cylinder on the left side, the storage cover or cover cylinder that we're going to remove. The process is identical on the other side. Obviously the trunklet has been flipped back and we have pulled this felt cover back. The cover is simply fastened with plastic tabs that you pull out. They don't get damaged. You just pull and it comes back. We've tied it back here with zip ties just for the video. Here's a replacement cylinder already to be put back in that has been rebuilt, meaning it's got 7 new seals in it, all better than new, so this should last 30 to 50 years with much better seal geometries and seal material in it, done by Top Hydraulics. Anyway, I wanted to show you on this cylinder how these clips are fastened. These are ball joints and they have metal clips on them where you basically walk a small flat screwdriver under the clip, then you keep walking the clip up in its holder, so walk it up like a 1/4 inch. It should not come off the ball joint itself. Just walk it out of the original position and it stays spread. That way this ball joint can be pulled off the ball. I'll show that over here. Put the cylinder down. Get my screwdriver under here and keep walking the clip up. Do the same thing on the bottom. There we go. Now we can just pull and it's off, and pull and it's off. Next step is to take the hoses off. On the left cylinder we have on the blunt end of the cylinder line number 82. That's the hose number is always printed in small letters about a 1/2 inch away from the metal hose fitting, and conversely this one would be hose number 81. To get the hoses out we tap. That's a little bit hard to do while doing the video here, so it's totally visible. We first want to tap a little with the screwdriver to loosen it up, and then we can walk the clip off. Well, I didn't tap well enough on it. There we go. The clip has just slid back. We have some paper towels ready. The hose pulled straight out. We do the same thing on the other side. The first step is always the hardest here, getting these hoses loose. What you want to avoid is what I almost did, is having a tool slip and scratching this polished shaft up. If you have deep scratches on this shaft, then it needs to be replaced, which is unpleasant and expensive, so don't do that. You just want to push hard on this end here, and there we go, the clip is loose. We can pull the next hose out. We put the new cylinder, or better than new, rebuilt by Top Hydraulics cylinder in. Put our clips in the rail first. Put on the O-rings provided by Top Hydraulics. O-ring goes on the hydraulic line fitting first. Here we have hose number 82. As I said earlier, 82 goes on the blunt end of the cylinder. We push the clip back. Hard to do this while facing the right angle to the camera, but it worked out. And we put another O-ring on the hose number 81. O-ring is on. Let's see that we don't twist things around here. That's how it goes. Push the hose fitting straight in. Push the clip back into place. And there we go. Top is in. On the bottom, zip. We'll just walk this clip down again. Somebody previously walked this one up awfully high. Well, fair enough, we'll just walk this down, it'll be back in place, and the cylinder has been replaced. It's that easy.